So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can find your wallet address in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you don't know where to find your wallet address, then this video is for you. All you need to do is first of all be in your home page right here. And now, just look at the top left corner with the gear icon. Just tap there. And now you're in settings, and now you'll see many options like wallets, price alerts, address book, scan QR code, wallet connect, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on address book right here. So if you have added your address here, you can just find it right over here. As you can see, I've not added my wallet address, so I cannot find it. But if you have added it, then you can find over here. Or there's a different way of wallet address as well. Once you're in this home page, all you need to do is tap on receive and just select and once you're over here, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this button over here, and once you tap there, you can find your addresses right here. You can see many of your addresses like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Base, Avalanche, C-Chain, and many more. So guys, there you go. That's how you find wallet address in Trust app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.